She's getting pretty good with that tractor. Right, Nikki? Oh, here they come. They don't know which way to run. That's too funny. Look at the little piggies run. They are curious. Rose?
Hey, Rose. Rose.
Rose. Hey. You look pretty silly.
She's funny. She's cooling off.
Yep.
I think she'd like to have the hose on her.
No. You want to come eat some grass? Come on. Come on, don't faint. Where are you going? Just checking it out, huh? Yeah. Let's see if there's food in there, huh, sweetie? Oh. Are you a goat? Oh, you're a goat now, huh? Yeah. Do you love it? Is it a beautiful day? You love it? Good girl. That is a very old dog. Who thinks she's very young. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Do your puppy dance. Yeah. Good girl, Nikki. Good girl. The bear is a little shy. He's worried Mama's going to mow him. He comes out here. There, that's where my little pool is going to go. I'm going to have a little swimming pool right there.